Yes, so Otutu Ama to everybody.
Ntutu.
It's not Otutu.
How about Ntutu?
Ntutu. Okay. Ntutu Ama to everybody where they out there. Yes, so with a true salute to you on top the Good Morning NAIJA show this beautiful, beautiful morning. Yes, so celebration going on in many states as the governors have been announced one by Ishi. Almost every state now don't get their own governor. And we hope say normalcy go settle back into our everyday lives. The next thing we want now to choose the appointed cabinet and people that will go follow the government to work to make sure say everything is down gidigba. Ladies, you hear the rumors when they go about say Oga I hear yesterday I know say I don't know that I know there is no iota of truth inside. Say Buhari don't nominate Today Bakare. I was one of the cabinet.
Just like that.
No. I don't say that's why I talk say rumor. And they always encourage people say any news where you hear fear, especially on social media. Sometimes make you do it, make you calm yourself down before you go begin do it through way the information give everybody. We know everybody is waiting with abated breath to see who go sit down on top the minister chair, who go sit down on top commissioner chair. But we need to relax ourselves and to allow the government make them settle down. Make them swear for them first, make you enter work. By the time you don't enter work, we go know as everything go take be. My name is Martin Lolo, one of every. And welcome to Gudu Morning NAIJA this morning.
Yes, so it's perfect morning to all of our day out there. They watch us every Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 9 a.m. We did happy and we did excited. So we don't join you again. Plenty now you go here on top the show this morning as usual. Today they mark the 1 year. One complete year where our Chibok girls so then kidnap them, Boko Haram badness people, Kolobi them inside captivity and they are yet to return. Plenty movements on there on top the matter. Plenty waka down there. NGOs, people don't come outside. They create awareness. They do supplicate. They beg our government, say, make them do everything in our powers to bring this girl back. Now we don't hear say Buhari don't pledge, say in go rescue the Chibok girls. And even former Minister of Education, Obi Ezekwesili, now she they campaign. They lead the campaign for Bring Back Our Girls. She said, don't talk to say it's never too late to bring back our girls. So our hearts serve and our minds, they in prayers for the girls and we they hope say them will return. On top of the show this morning, you go hear things where they happen for inside Nigeria as people being get a panic attack on top supposed Ebola. We don't return to Lagos. But this not true, this not lie. You go need to check your ear on top of the show, make you hear. And also on top sports, as usual, you go hear plenty on top sports. You go hear as a QPR don't come out, they throw away heavy sanction on top their fans. We've been do badness for inside the match against Chelsea. You go need to stick around for that one. My name is Chika Okeke Mwafo. Good morning, NAIJA.
Ekaro Ibola Chi Otutu Oma Messiere Inakwana Obowe. How na this early morning? Anywhere where you operate from, we don't start on top today, young John, because the Good Morning NAIJA show don't reach your domot. So call that person to tell another person to yarn the other person. Say the show don't start 6:30 go reach 9 every day, Monday to Friday. We are always here for you. All right, on top of the Good Morning NAIJA show today, you go hear the thing where happen for Beyonce Mama. Beyonce Mama don't enter one thing. Waiting be that thing. All right, and on top of Fast and Furious 7, Paul Walker, late Paul Walker. If they do some kind thing for inside the movie, so we can't bring the gist for you, but you got to wait till Entertainment International to hear all that gist. Yeah, NAIJA half-cast, I enemy, Ade Luchi Enobong. I got to throw my salute, Everly. Good morning, NAIJA. Feel it!
All right, good morning, NAIJA. Anywhere where you day for inside or below the world, even for inside Nigeria, any states where you day, we now want Nigeria. And on that note, I say morning to all of you now where they there. If you they ready to go work, yes, ready go work, and then everything will be okay for you today. Today we go inside entertainment gist on Nigeria. Ice Springs don't come outside. Do congratulations to Ambody. Wait till you actually come outside talk, you're gonna need to stay tuned with us because we'll send you all the story. And Ike Ogbonna don't come outside advise women where they selling their body. Say You want to know what they're all about? We go tell you the story when entertainment time reach. And also, basket mouth don't come outside talk say him na shy person. You believe her? Our comedian go talk say in a shy person. We go tell you all the story. And lastly, you go find out the celebrity where talk say she get crush on top Banky W. All the story now we go some give you on top entertainment just for inside Nigeria. So you go need to come body with us. My name is Siriman Uvi Ehigamsoy. Good morning, NAIJA.
All right.
love, hope, faith, believe. These are some of the ingredients where you need to make your life very, very casual. And if you don't watch us, so you got to say this one. Say, I am simply wonderful.
Good morning, NAIJA. This is now your health corner on top your Good Morning NAIJA show, where we summer you with all the better information where you need to make sure say your body dey very, very kampe. And the matter where they ground since beginning of this week concern our peace. Yes, peace where they come up for your body, the urine. But today, what we want to talk about now, urinary tract infections. Yes, this is now the infections where they tanda for that pipe where urine they take the pass for inside our body to come out for outside. About half of women then go get this urinary tract infection or UTI, like we feel shorten and call them, at some point for their life. If you be woman, it means that you got to cope with this urinary tract infection. In fact, some experts, they don't discover, say, at least for your lifetime, you go get as much as two things where they worry you. One of them will be urinary tract infection, and many women they get this urinary tract infection repeatedly. As in the thing go finish, you go think say she don't wear, the thing go come again. Sometimes they go experience them for years, the thing not go end. But it happen when germs, like I talked before, they infect our system, where they carry urine from inside our body to the kidneys or the bladder and even the tubes, where they connect all of them together. These bladder infections, they're very common, but they know they're serious if you treat them quick. But if this infection can spread, reach the kidney, at that time, they cause plenty gbege. So what's be the thing where they cause this urinary tract infection for women especially? It happen to men, no, but now women be the main culprit. It gets one reason why they tell us as girls when we grow up, say if you piss finish, if you want clean, say make you clean from your front to the back after you piss finish. That now because urethra na the tube where they transport urine from the bladder to the outside of the body, and they're very located to they're very close to the anus. So the bacteria where they come out from the large intestine, like E. coli, those ones there for the perfect position to escape the anus, come waka, enter inside the urethra because they're not far from each other. So from there, the feet travel, go up into the bladder. And if this infection no they treated, it will continue, go infect the kidneys. Women, they're very prone to this UTI, that's urinary tract infection, because their own urethra, that's not the tube where the urine they take pass, it is shorter than the one where they inside man own. Yes. So another thing where they also cause this bacteria to enter inside the urinary tract. Now, when person they do touch lighting things, yes, when they have sex, that one to fit push bacteria up into the urinary tract. But what will be the symptoms of this urinary tract infection? To identify urinary tract infection, you fit just shine your eye. If you experience any of these things, it means say na urinary tract infection they worry you. One, now that burning feeling when you urinate, as in it could be like say that they pepper you as urine they pass from your urethra, they come outside. Then if you experience, as in it be like say every time you won't run, go piss. Every time it go be like say enough you control yourself, or you experience some kind pain or pressure for your back or your lower abdomen. Then when you piss, you can't see say the thing they cloudy or they dark, or it be like say blood they inside, or you get one kind of yama smell. On top that one, if it be like say you they tire, or it be like say you they shake, cold they catch you, they experience a fever, your body they hot, or you, as in like I talked before, cold they catch you. This one feel mean say that infection don't waka enter inside your kidneys. So if they experience any of these symptoms, where I don't talk now, if it be say you get urinary tract infection. So what will be the treatment for this urinary tract infection? I go give you all those ones tomorrow, so make you not just try miss them. This is still your health corner on top Good Morning NAIJA show, and my name na Dr. Adaora. I go see you tomorrow.
Make una dey watch Gudu Momo.
All right, so beautiful day. Now we just slowly, they wind up small by small. But we could give you some health tips. You know, this one not go happy many women, no. Because now women now they use birth control pills pass men. I hope say one of these days they go take pills where men go fit take, or IUD where they go to fix inside their cocoa too, so that they go know as it be. If you measure Vasse, where men dey, you go see before you say Tommy, they don't run, they don't go. All right, so research it don't come out. They talk say birth control pills, where we know say ordinarily women where they use and they suffer mood swings, weight gain, nausea and other side effects. But new study can't even talk say it get another troubling thing where the thing they do. They say they shrink brain. So that means they born they go.
Wow.
They say the two key brain regions say the thing they shrink the one where they're responsible for emotion and decision making. Say they less active for people where they take the pill. Another study, Nicole Peterson can recruit like 90 women with 44 women where they on combined birth control and 46 women who know they use any type of hormonal birth control. They say the brain scan can reveal say the orbitofrontal cortex, where they're responsible for decision making, and posterior cingulate, where they possess emotions, say that they're smaller than the average people who know they take birth control pills. That means say they don't know whether the shrinkage is permanent or but more research they on top the matter. They talk so many people where they take contraceptive pills, they the risk of developing incurable disease of the digestive system. Researchers don't even find say sex hormones where they inside their contraceptive pills can weaken the gut, creating a perfect condition for Crohn's disease. I don't finish.
Oh, wow.
They say you shall get inside the effect with plenty. Because if you they look up, many women go they fear
this one, very
to take
birth
a
lot of
like
young girls
me,
these days, they
experientially, I know say any for me, experientially, hormonals always scatter our system. No matter what you do, if you take pills, you take injections, you use IUD, the one that secretes skinny or where they set. You get one where they get something inside where they secrete into the lining of your uterus. Everything always affect a woman's metabolism in some way. I know that wearing raincoat is not the most
ultimate,
secure,
100%,
but somehow it's not hormonal, and you know they fit scatter your system. Pass the one where they go insert, or the one where you go to swallow. You get as you go to scatter your system.
Yeah,
experientially.
This just boils down to waiting me. I always ask. Yes, I understand. Say this thing gets your own side effect, but not be when you take them in excess. Because they get some people where they take them every day.
It's according to
even for every tablet you buy, if you read down, they will tell you say even that one tablet they take gets side effects. And the more you take, of course, the more the
birth control is taking over time.
Yes,
if you are under the injectables, you can either add the 2 months old or the 3 months old. And pill takers, you must take it at a particular time every day.
Every day.
So and if it is this one where it has a length of time, maybe for 6 months, a year.
So this one means say they're supposed to start to work on the one for men. They're supposed to create the one where man go
get side effects for men too.
No, you go get side effect, but at least make men taste time, make them understand what women they go through.
Just wear your raincoat. That one it be like say it dey most
double up
a little bit.
Yes,
maybe you go wear raincoat for man or wear raincoat for woman.
And double
because
up.
You know, say if they get some,
or you go count your period.
No,
that's a lot of mothers they do.
Okay, let's move on.
All right, from that one, make me enter this weird story because they said this man don't spend the last 18 years on top road. They find him missing Pekin. For 1997, they say Gangtang, 2-year-old Pekin, the Colombian from outside the house, and they say since that time, the now 45-year-old Papa, he don't spend the last 18 years. They drive motorcycle, aka Okada, throughout China, hoping say one day he go find a Pekin. And now Audity Central 9 report this story. They say 18 years now long time on top road, and Gangtan in face don't wrinkle, and say this wrinkle constantly. They say the thing they cake with dirty, and a testament say truly he don't see something all this time. They say in physical pain, say na nothing compared to the vex where they vex for inside in heart for almost 2 decades. They say now he and his wife they no fit take one single photo, family photo, since when they Colombia in Pekin, because they always put as hope say one day their family go complete. They say however, if you want count the kilometer with this man don't come on top of your Okada, they say na 400,000 kilometer, and they say the Okada where you don't born, you go use throwaway. They say the thing reach up to 10 just to find the pikin. And he talk saying they plan to give up anytime soon. No. He say I'd always tell myself, say maybe tomorrow, but that tomorrow it never come. He say only worry be say in house where he be get of that time. Say now he sure say the thing go don't collapse. Now where they always there for road, and say in son self no go feel recognize them when he finally find them. But say hope in the hope say one day say somebody feel recognize the boy, come give am useful information. And based on that one, they say Gangtan they get 2 flag and then 1 old photo where they always put on top in bicycle.
Yeah, love. As in love. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Make we go sports, no.
All right.
Why you talk like person?
Uncle B, Shebi, day outside.
Oh yeah, come if you want come.
Honorable.
We take it easy.
Honorable.
Still the honorable man of parliament.
Honorable.
Still the honorable man of parliament.
Lave.
You see yourself?
No level.
When children talk
Honorable
to you anyhow.
No level.
Even rub lip
Honorable,
gloss.
just stay that side.
No,
Even rub lip
that
gloss
side.
for mouth this morning. Honey.
You better go to where your princess
Go to this
is.
side.
She
Honorable,
likes
Galeva.
hunters and foresters.
Honey.
Honorable, go to that side.
The
I
eyes
beg.
you give me. You supposed to know that this is no longer
Good morning,
business as
Nigerians.
usual.
Good morning, happy peoples and fellow.
See white hair
that.
for honorable
Yeah,
hair. Chai, you know easy. Politicking is not easy.
You never address the people on your lost. So address the people.
Why are you always focusing on this is law?
Because you never address the people.
I mean, you don't accept
don't
defeat.
even
The ballot paper.
Yeah, you never
Well,
accept defeat. Address
Defeat
them.
or no defeat, the main thing we say, I come out. At least
saw
people
and
hear
you
my
conquered.
voice.
Yeah, baby,
People
cut.
know, say, I get plan for the country. And at least eventually, the fact that my political party, Happy People's Party, they are among the party will contest. And at least, the fact that somebody even votes.
Who be this somebody?
Now only him now.
The
Only
voice,
him.
the voice of life
my
politician.
humble self. At least, I not say, but then we will go to strategize. Nigerians
Who is
are coming
we?
back.
Who is we? Yeah, you know
I am coming back.
Everybody
because
don't
by the
vote
time I
from your
come back,
party.
How
How many members you get right about now?
Honorable, no they stammer. You sabi
I
talk
don't
before. No
understand,
they
though.
stammer. This stammer na excuse.
Don't do it.
When disgrace touches a man,
It shall shake him up to the
when
fulfillment of his
disgrace,
imagination.
I remember when I was on the mountain,
I knew this
and the
mountain Lola was
Spirit
talking
of
about.
God was speaking to me,
That what?
and I was firing prayer.
like
I
a
saw
mountain.
it coming,
Lola, this
but
your
I thought
mountain,
I can
eh?
avert
Your
it.
mountain not work, Lola, because it was a selfish mountain.
Yes, follow yourself.
It was a selfish mountain. That's why
Follow
it not work.
yourself.
Benin princess, all the time where you travel go Benin. All the travels where you travel go
Now, what
Benin.
you go do now?
I know how many birds fly across the mountain.
Listen, the man of the house,
Nah,
the
nah,
man
nah,
of the
she
house
go
is
do,
here.
run.
Men are keep quiet. No could just know as we go take resolve our matter for once.
You and who want to resolve? Please, I'm irresolvable.
Wait, leave me alone now.
I go pinch you. Never start. Me and you.
If I flat, I'll come on here.
When trouble sleep, younger go wake am.
I beg, tell them.
Wetin dey find? You dey find.
Wahala, you go get to your.
And you know your own palava na different grades, different color, different size.
Different styles and techniques.
different nationalities.
Benin Day, Calabar Day, Yoruba
Yes, Buni.
Everybody,
And
they
who
like
is
when they
going
show
to
the
the
end.
forest?
And I am going to
palace.
what's it, Brunei.
He's going to the monarch palace.
We go see you now
That's
tomorrow
what
by
she-
the grace of God. God go keep us. We go see you tomorrow.
Achoo.
Oh yeah. Go carry your basket.
No,
dey go.
she's
Put
going
your
to the
basket.
palace.
Lolo basket.
Lolo,
I thought you
love
dey carry go
I dey
inside
see this in her
forest.
She dey go palace.
You know see the
Royalty,
dance.
I am
China like this, you go
royalty.
dey go dance.
Monarch. Oh, yeah, which kind of monarch?